Welcome to Great Safe Channel. In this channel, we will show you the testing machine operation. Now, I will show you the oscillating tube rain tester. This apparatus is applied in IPX3 and IPX4 waterproof degrees tests. First, adjust the tube gauge to match the oscillating tube size. Then, use the tube gauge to assist the adjustment. Next, screw locks both sides of the tube tightly at the same time. We provide different radius of oscillating tubes with a special wooden holder for safety storage. The operation has English and Chinese interface. Installed in a waterproof protection box. Using the control system to adjust the height. Fine-tuning the water pressure to the standard required. Next, set the tube back to the origin. Make sure the infrared rays pointed at the tube. You can use our smart design to adjust the water spray hole direction or turn it off. Press start and the test will begin automatically. We also provide different size of chamber version. For more information, please go to our website. That is the operation of IPX4 test. Moreover, this apparatus can also run the IPX3 test. Thank you for your time. If you like our video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and you will get the latest testing machines information. See you in the next video.